Hey guys, it's Friday afternoon. I'm out here in the shop messing around with my drawer slides in this case. And I'm setting my spacing for these. So I thought I would just share this with you real quick. These are all on 8-inch centers, but when I go to actually pre-drill the holes and attach these, this spacing right here is going to be something like 6 5/8 or 7/16, whatever, right? So you can measure that. A lot of you guys are into that. I get it. I know a lot of my woodworking friends are really into math and algebra. The rest of us are just not. So what I like to do, I showed you guys how to use the story stick to do the back panel on this. If you haven't seen that, take a look at it because it eliminates any guesswork and everything fits nice and tight when you do it that way. But to get this space right here between here and here, I want to use a spacer when I go to attach it. So after I set my first one, I'll use my spacer in between each one after that, and they'll come out perfect with 8-inch centers all the way across on both sides, and they'll match. I won't have any imbalances in my drawers or binding or any of that. So it makes it a lot easier. So I thought I'd show you guys this. This is a big caliper woodpecker. It's just a big caliper, right? I have another one over there that's like 3 feet long. But I thought I'd show you guys this. You don't need to use something like this. This is a nice little tool to have. It saves me a lot of messing around. But woodpeckers are very proud of their equipment, and they certainly don't give it away. So for a lot of you guys, this might not be practical. But you can use the story stick the same way to do this. But so all I do is I got these all measured out, 8-inch centers. Take the 48-inch width of that divided by 6. I get 8 inches, they're 8-inch centered. So then I just set the distance right here with the caliper, and then I carry this over to the table saw and set my fence to my blade with it, and my space is going to be exact. Alright guys, so we set this on our distance for our drawer slides in the box. So then now to cut the spacer I need to set up all my drawer slides to make them all exact, all I gotta do is set this on my blade, slide my fence over until it barely touches it, lock it down, cut my 1/4-inch MDF spacer, and now I have the exact distance I need to make each one of those line up exactly perfectly square with that case and each other. And it'll work both on both sides, everything will be exactly parallel, and I didn't have to measure anything, which to me is just simpler, and I like simple. I don't like to try to find measurements. Everything has a tolerance, of course, but for me, it's just real quick. Set it, set the fence, cut it, get back to work, locking those down, and moving on to the drawer boxes. So to me, it's just a simpler way to get things done more efficiently. So I hope that helps some of you guys. I'll shoot another little quick video when I do the drawer slides and lock them in. You guys, hopefully it helps some of you guys out. Have a great day. Thanks for watching.